No, you're the loser, man.
Oh, I'm the loser, huh?
Yeah.
Now who's a loser?
You know, you're really sick, man.
Don't. Had a second place right now, huh?
Come on,
Mind your business.
Sensei, please. He's sorry, okay? He really is.
Boy, let him go.
Leon is right. Let him go.
I say, let him go.
Beat it. You're next.
Mercy is for the weak. We do not train to be merciful here. A man face you, he is enemy. Enemy deserve no mercy. Daniel-san, ladies no wait forever.